Listen, my Gurukul is a default completion space. The whole atmosphere is such, the critical mass of the Gurukul is by default already in completion. Already they are complete. And constantly I am helping them, supporting them with everything. Even the Gurukul teachers, I see their language changes because kids taught them. It's a spontaneous space of completion. See, in the society, by default, society is incomplete, so you are put in that space. Only if you are conscious, you can attract the space of completion. But in the Gurukul, by default, it is the space of completion. Only if you are too interested in incompletion, you will attract it. Kids are my only hope. My Gurukul is my biggest hope. Listen, especially your friends. Your friends between the age of 3, your friends between the age of 3 and 18, that 15 years, your friends has huge influence over you. I tell you, you may be believing your teachers have influence over you. No. You do not open your heart to your teachers. You open only your logic to your teachers. Teachers can only impact you very slowly, long term. But your friends can impact you immediately. Immediately. So the field of completion is one of the very important thing, because that is what most of the society does not have. Listen. Field of completion is very important thing. The field you carry around you and inside you should be complete, should not have any big wounds or the moments of powerlessness as pattern. I tell you, all Gurukul kids, this should be your next important lesson. Every day you should spend time in completion before falling asleep, till you stop having dreams, because dreams are nothing but incompletions. Only when you don't have dreams, you are complete. Understand? Only when you don't have dreams, you are complete. It is very easy for the kids to enter into the dreamless space. For kids, it may take maximum 30 days of practice every night before falling asleep. Complete, 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 with whatever happened the whole day, or whatever has happened the whole day, whatever contradictions, conflicts you felt, complete with that and trace back the source. In 30 days you will achieve the space of no dream. I tell you, if you achieved the space of no dream, pushing you into enlightenment is just a small click for me. It is nothing but one energization. because already the work is done. So this is the next project for all the kids.